Hey first grade crew, it's Miss Julia. Happy Monday! Our read aloud for today is a book called The Dot by Peter H. Reynolds. Art class was over, but Vashti sat glued to her chair. Her paper was empty. Uh-oh, it looks like she has a little bit of a frown on her face. Take a look at the picture and tell me how you think Vashti's feeling. Yeah, maybe sad, frustrated, or upset. Let's read to find out. Vashti's teacher leaned over the blank paper. Ah, a polar bear in a snowstorm, she said. Very funny, said Vashti. I just can't draw. Friends, I know a lot of you like to draw. Have you ever felt that way? Like something was just so hard that you didn't even want to try because you were afraid you would make a mistake? What did you do? Her teacher smiled. Just make a mark and see where it takes you. Vashti grabbed a marker and gave the paper a good strong jab. There! Her teacher picked up the paper and studied it carefully. She pushed the paper toward Vashti and quietly said, Now sign it. Vashti thought for a moment. Well, maybe I can't draw, but I can sign my name. The next week, when Vashti walked into art class, she was surprised to see what was hanging above her teacher's desk. It was the little dot she had drawn. Her dot, all framed in swirly gold. How do you think Vashti felt seeing her dot all up on the wall like that? How would you feel? Surprised? Proud? Excited? I can make a better dot than that. She opened her never-before-used set of watercolors and set to work. Vashti painted and painted. A red dot, a purple dot, a yellow dot, a blue dot. The blue mixed with the yellow. She discovered that she could make a green dot. Vashti kept experimenting, lots of little dots in many colors. If I can make little dots, I can make big dots too. Vashti splashed her colors with a bigger brush on bigger paper to make bigger dots. Vashti even made a dot by not painting a dot. Wow, look at all those dots. Do you think she still feels like she can't draw? Or do you think she's changed her mind? At the school art show a few weeks later, Vashti's many dots made quite a splash. Vashti noticed a little boy gazing up at her. You're a really great artist. I wish I could draw, he said. Friends, who does that sound like? Right, it kind of sounds like Vashti at the beginning of the book. I bet you can, said Vashti. Me? No, not me. I can't draw a straight line with a ruler. Vashti smiled. She handed the boy a blank sheet of paper. Show me. The boy's pencil shook as he drew his line. Vashti stared at the boy's squiggle. And then she said, All right, guys, shout out what you think she's going to say to the boy. Let's see if you're right. And then she said, Sign it. Sometimes when we're trying something new, getting started can seem like the hardest part. But what happened after Vashti took the first step and drew her first dot? Right. She found out that she had her own unique way to make beautiful art. Think about something new that you've been wanting to try. Maybe it's drawing or painting, maybe learning a new dance move, or reading a new book with some tricky words. What small first step could you take to help you get started? You never know what's possible until you try, right? All right, friends. Well, thanks so much for listening. See you next time.